Question number 8 is also going to have to do with transformations, but in this case, it's got a bit of an application component to it. And so one of the things they want us to do is to graph the information we're being given here. And so I need to have from 0 to 6 along the x-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is in seconds. And then here is my height in feet. I know I need to go up to like 150 or so, and I'm going to be a little bit sneaky about how I get this done. I'm going to make this 100 and this 50, and I'm going to approximate. So in this case, I've got the point 0, 0. That's going to start me here. 180 would be about here. This doesn't need to be perfect. 128 would put me about here. 144 is going to put me nearly at 150, and then these other ones are going to be kind of similar. They're going to be at the same height. This will go here, and then 6, 0. And so if I were to graph this, I notice that it looks like a parabola. Okay? And so the parent function that I see here is certainly not linear. It's not absolute value because these lines aren't straight. It's not square root. This is certainly quadratic. This quadratic function has moved in several very specific ways. My vertex is this point here up at the top, which was 3, 144. And so it was moved right 3 and up 144. I also notice that this opens down, so I need to hook that. Opens down. And it's not going out 1, down 1. It's certainly being stretched. So this is 4 different transformations from what we're used to. It says, what additional transformation would occur if the ball was thrown up faster? Well, if I throw the ball harder, it's going to go up higher, and so that would be an additional stretch. So in this case, you don't have to write the equation, but we certainly could. We don't know what the value is that's being multiplied, but we do know that it's something bigger than 1. But we want to make sure that we recognize the fact that this is a quadratic function, and then we base how it's moved based off of this vertex. It was moved right 3 and up 144 because of this point here in the middle. It's stretched, and it certainly opens down.